Power your workday with the Husqvarna battery ecosystem. With reduced noise, instant starting, and minimal maintenance, your workday can get just a little bit easier no matter where the job takes you. Our 40-volt ecosystem means our batteries can power any of our professional tools, whether it's a chainsaw, pole saw, blower, or power ascender. They're also IPX4 certified and can be used rain or shine. And when paired with our proprietary active cooling technology, our batteries deliver durability and performance pros can count on. Power through your day with Husqvarna.